Hey, 3D printing brothers, welcome back to another video with yours truly, Bromo Sapien. Well, I was looking at the Bamboo Lab Reddit site today, and I came across this interesting post. How screwed am I? The poster asks. Man, I thought I was having a bad day. Look at this guy's build plate and what happened. He's got an H2D and he says blob of death. Started a print, got a notification. When I got back to the printer, the blob was waiting for me. I was able to heat up the nozzle enough to get to the bottom blob off, but the plastic managed to get all up in there, above the nozzle and everything. I got as much as I could off using a lighter and a pick, but there's still plastic everywhere. Actually considering just purchasing a new tool head and calling it a day. The third pick is how it looks from underneath. 9 printers in, and this is the very first time I've come across this. Check this out. Wow. What a mess. Thank God that has yet to happen to me. I've yet to see that, man. I hope you guys haven't experienced this. Yet another one. Look at it. It's melted, man. So this is where you put away the lighter and you take out the heat gun and you fix this, or just, I guess, replace it. I think at the end of the day, this print ad replaced it. But yeah, crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. So if you think you're having a bad print day, just remember this post, everyone. Remember this post. And hopefully your day will be a bit brighter. That's all I got for you today, guys. Bromo Sapien out. Remember to like and subscribe. Hope you're doing well.